Every single lady or single guy should do this with alligator pepper. If you want to get married, yes, you should do this with alligator pepper. In this video, I want to share with you alligator pepper spiritual benefit for marriage. Yes, alligator pepper spiritual benefit for marriage. If you're a single lady and you want to get married, or you are always having disappointment when it comes to relationship, you need to do this with alligator pepper. Okay, so make sure you are watching this video to the end. Hello, welcome back. My name is Gideon and I share spiritual tip here in this channel. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you are highly welcome to my channel. Please be a member of the channel by subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, in today's video, I want to share with you alligator pepper spiritual benefits for marriage. If you're a single lady who is looking for a partner to settle down with, or you are always having disappointment anytime you are in a relationship, men will disappoint you, and this has been going on in your life for years or months, and you don't know what to do, or you are a single guy that, anytime you are in a relationship with a lady, the lady will break your heart, the lady will disappoint you, and you don't know what to do. In this video, I want to share with you what you can do with alligator pepper for you to get married and settle down and have peace of mind. Yes, marriage is a good thing. Yes. So for you to do this, you need to get alligator pepper. Alligator pepper is a very powerful spiritual item. A lot of people do not know about this. Okay. It's a very powerful spiritual item. It is used to do a lot of work. And when I mean a lot of work, I mean a lot of work you can do, spiritual work you can do with alligator pepper. So now, how are you going to do this with alligator pepper? You need to go and buy alligator pepper. Okay. You just go and buy one bunch of alligator pepper. Okay, and when you buy one bunch of alligator pepper, you are also going to buy a Fanta drink. Okay, only these two items, but you make sure you have your alligator pepper. Okay, now when you get alligator pepper, now you are going to open it from your bag. As we all know that is the right way to open alligator pepper. You open it from your bag. Okay, now when you open it from your bag, okay, you are going to bring out the seed. Okay, you are going to bring out the seed. Now, how do you bring out the seed now? Your name, that's your first name, you need to count the alphabet of your first name. Now when you count the alphabet of your first name, if the alphabet is 7, you are going to bring out 7 seeds of alligator pepper. If the alphabet is 10, you are going to bring out 10 seeds of alligator pepper. You understand? You are going to bring out 10 seeds of alligator pepper. Now when you bring out that 10 seed of that alligator pepper, you are going to pray toward that 10 seed. If the alphabet of your name is 10, you bring out the 10 seed and use it to pray. Say what you want. Okay, say what you want. Now after praying, put that alligator pepper inside the water and boil it. Okay, boil that alligator pepper. Now when you boil that alligator pepper, now you are going to take that water and pour inside your bucket of water. That's the bucket that you used to bathe. The bucket, okay, that you used to bathe. You pour in that water inside that bucket. Now get this Fanta drink and pour the whole of this Fanta drink inside that bucket and use that water and bathe yourself. Do this spiritual assignment in the morning and in the night. Okay, do it in the morning and in the night. After bathing in the morning, you can cleanse your body with towel. In the night, you cleanse your body with towel. Do this assignment for good 7 days, morning and night, morning and night. Do it for 7 days. Okay, if you're always having disappointment in a relationship, this will stop anything that is causing problems in your relationship anytime you enter a relationship. And when you go out, men will be attracted to you as a lady. Men will be attracted to you once you are doing this. And if you're a man, women will also be attracted to you. You will be charming to women. Understand? So make sure you do this with alligator pepper if you really want to get married and settle down. Okay, if you really want to get married and settle down, and if you're having problems in your relationship, also do this. This will put an end to that problem that you always have in a relationship, because this will be bringing peace and harmony in your relationship. Whatever thing that is causing problem in your relationship will stop. Okay, like I say, you need to do it for 7 days, morning and night. Okay, after bathing in the morning, cleanse your body, go your way. After bathing in the night, cleanse your body also, and that's all. Okay, just get the alligator pepper and count the first name, your first name, the alphabet. The number of the alphabet is the number of the alligator pepper you will get. Okay, and boil the alligator pepper, use it and bet. and that will be the end of that problem for 7 days. Okay, so do this and don't forget to share your testimony here in this channel, because I didn't want to, eat cake for marriage. Okay, so see you guys in my next video, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. See you guys.